Hi children, good morning Nana. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Yes? Okay Nana. In previous class I started that exercise 2B. Okay, and we completed some word problems also. Now we came to the second Roman, frame word problems for the following numerical questions, isn't it? So in that we finished the two problems Nana. Now in today's class I am going to explain the remaining problems, how to frame the word problems. So before going to that, once again we revise what we discussed in the previous class. Are you ready children with your books? Come on all of you, take out your maths textbook and classwork. Get ready with your books. Okay, so 5 minutes I will revise what we discussed in the previous class Nana. So solve the following word problems. We completed some word problems and I gave one problem as homework also, I think, isn't it? So did you complete that word problem Nana? Okay. Seema, what is that? A bookseller sold 1,25,000 math books. That problem I gave as homework. 2,39,000 English books and 58,000 history books. How many books did he sell in all? So while solving the word problem, first you read the question 3 times, at least 3 times. Okay. Now you identify the important points and underline those points. After, we only frame the steps and select which operator we have to use to solve that problem. Operator means plus, minus, into, division. So these are the 4 mathematical operations, okay? Plus, minus, into, division, okay? So which mathematical operation is used to solve that problem? That operation you have to select. After we frame the steps, then we solve the problem, okay ma? So like this we solve that problem, and I gave one problem as homework no Nana. That problem now I explained. If you are done correct or not, you check it Nana. A bookseller sold 1,25,000 maths books and 2,39,000 English books. My dear children, check it Nana. And 58,000 history books. How many books did he sell in all? How many books did he sell in all? This is the problem. So what is given in the problem Nana? They are given books Nana. A bookseller sold books, they are given. So how many maths books he sold? Yes, 1,25,000 maths books. 2,39,000 English books, 39,000. 58,000 history books. Then how many books he sell in all? All. So this is the key point for, come on tell me, addition or subtraction? Addition, very good. Now tell me the steps Nana. Number of, first one, this number belongs to maths books. So number of maths books sold. Number of maths books sold. Next, number of English books sold. Number of history books sold. Now we have to find total number of books sold. Sold by bookseller. Now you have to note down that numbers. Number of maths books. How many maths books? 1,25,000. Number of English books. How many English books? Yes, it's also 2,39,000. Next, how many history books are there? Sold. Number of history books are 58,000 Nana. So 58. So where you have to write, children? Yes, you should write under the tens and ones place. Don't write under the lakhs place. Okay, ma? It is 58,000. Now you should add. So which operation we used here? All means you should do addition, so that you keep less symbol. Okay. Now 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 9. Take 5 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in the mind, take 8 fingers, 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 2 carries, 2 down. Now add 10,000's place. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 7 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 carry to the lakhs place and write under the 10,000's place. Now you add lakhs place. Take 1 finger, 1 after 2. Take 2 fingers, 2 after 3, 4. So answer is 4,22,000. How many books he sold? 4,22,000. Did you get the same answer, children? Come on, check your answer. I gave this as homework, no, Nana? Check this problem, ma. Okay. So if anybody done wrong, correct this problem. Okay, ma? See, children, while writing the notes, you just pause the video and note down everything. After you continue that video. Okay, ma? Next, second Roman is frame word problems for the following numerical questions. We completed 2 sums, Nana. Here they are given again 2 sums. Now I will explain the one problem and I will give one as homework. Okay, ma? Get ready with your classworks. Come on, write the date and continue the classwork. We completed A, B. Now see this problem. They are given again C, A, Nana, but you have to note down this C. So first you keep the places. Ones, tens, 100. Come on, write along with me, Nana. 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So first one 7 lakh, 35,000. 298. Next 1 lakh 67,403. This is the addition is given. So while framing the word problem, first you have to think what of these numbers. These are the 3, 5, 6 digit numbers. These 6 digit numbers could relate to in our daily life. Okay. So I think these are the population, no? If I take the population, so number of males, number of females in the town, can I take like that? Okay. Now add this one, Nana. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 up, 1 down. Take 1 finger, 9 after 10. Take 1 finger, 2 after 3, 3 in the mind. Take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 7. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 carry to the 10,000's place and write 2 in the thousands place. Now add 10,000. Take 1 finger, 3 after 4. 4 in the mind, take 6 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 carry to the lakhs place, write 0 under the 10,000's place. Now add lakhs place. Take 1 finger, 7 after 8, 8 in the mind, take 1 finger, 8 after 9. So 9 lakh 2,701. So first you have to think of these numbers would relate to in our daily life. After we only frame the word problem. Okay, ma? Come on, note down. Note down the word problem, Nana. During census, It was found, I will take like this example, it was found, it was found 7,35,298 males and 1,67,403 females in a town. Now, find the total population of the town. Find the total population of the town. Okay, ma? So, like this we only frame the word problem which is related to in our daily life. So, here they are given it is a 6-digit number. This is also 6-digit number. During census, it was found, that is, it was found 7,35,298 males and 1,67,403 females in a town. Find the total population of the town. Okay, ma? Come on, all of you note down neatly in your classwork. Write down, Nana. Now see ma, next problem, 6 lakh, just I will explain this problem and I will give as homework. 6,10,527 plus 2,78,149. First you do that addition, after you have to think of these numbers are related to in our daily life. So which of these two related in our daily life? Yes, I'll give one small hint for you. Okay, Nana? So let us take Mr. Ramu or Raju, whatever. So we'll take this as an amount. Okay, Nana? So Mr. Raju is deposited 6,10,527 in one bank and 2,78,149 in another bank. Okay, Nana? Then how much money did he deposit in total? So that only we have to find. Okay, Nana? How much money did he deposit in total? Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, Nana? So the last problem I'll give as homework. Just you have to listen. It is also in lakhs place. So let us take this as an amount. And Mr. Raju deposited 6,10,527 in one bank and 2,78,149 rupees in another bank. Now find how much did he deposit in total. Okay. So like that we frame the word problem. You do this in your homework book, Nana. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? Okay. Now let us go to the next concept, subtraction. Subtraction. Already I gave that blanks, Nana. That means key concepts. I gave, Nana, subtraction. But once again I revise that. Just you keep this side heading subtraction. Okay? Now listen. See, what is the symbol for subtraction? Yes, minus. Okay, minus is the symbol for subtraction. Don't write, children. Just look at the board and listen to me. Okay, ma? Minus is the symbol for subtraction and the result of subtraction is called difference. The number which is being to be subtracted is called subtrahend. From which number that the number is subtracted, that is called minute. From which number we have to subtract, this is called minute. Which number is being subtracted, that is called subtrahend. And the result of subtraction is called difference. Let us take one example. Here 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here minus is the symbol for subtraction and 10 is called minute, 2 is called subtrahend, 8 is called difference. Okay ma, is it clear to you? The number so the number which is being subtracted here, which number is subtracting? That is called subtrahend. From which number? This number is subtracted, this number. So this is called minute. So the number obtained after the subtraction, that means the result, that answer is called difference. Okay ma? Now we will do some subtractions, Nana. So subtraction of 5-digit numbers, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers without borrowing I will explain. After I will explain the borrowing sums. This is also you have to listen only, Nana. Let us take one number. So without borrowing, first I will explain. This is the 5-digit number, Nana. Now see ma, 9 minus 9 is 0, 8 minus 6. So close finger 6 after 7, 8. And number minus same number gives the 0 as difference. If one is subtracted from any number, we can get the previous number of the given number, isn't it? So number minus 0 equal to same number. So these are all we have to discuss in the previous class, Nana. Okay, 9 minus 8, close fingers, you have to subtract from down to up. If it is not possible, we go to the borrowing from the next place and change the numbers after we will do the subtraction. So 8 after 9, 1, 1 to 7, close fingers, that means 7 minus 1, number minus 1, we get the before number. What is 7 before? 6. Now 3 to 8, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Okay, how do we read this number? 56,120. And if our answer is correct or not, how can we know? Yes, by adding these two numbers, if you get the minute, then we get the correct answer. See, add these numbers. This is checking, Nana. So 9, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 plus 6, 7, 3 plus 5, 8. So 87,989. So our answer is correct. So my dear children, after the subtraction, you only check it if your answer is correct or not by adding these two numbers. If you add these two numbers, if you get this answer, then your answer is correct. Okay, ma? Now, see, and they are given. So, if you subtract from this to this, we will get this answer. Or, I will write like this also in these two numbers. If you subtract this answer from the total, we get this answer. So, without doing subtraction, we can write directly. Is it clear to you, Nana? So, this is minute, subtrahend, and this is difference. So, if you subtract this from this, we get this answer. Or if you add these two numbers, we get this answer. Okay, ma? We'll check like that. Okay. Now, subtraction of 6-digit numbers without borrowing. 7,83,965 minus 1,40,123. Now subtract these numbers. Is this borrowing or direct, Nana? Yes, it is direct. How? 3 is less than 5. So we can do directly. Less number means do directly. 3 after 4, 5, 2. Now 2 to 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. So number minus 1, we get the before number. That is 9 before 8. Number minus 0, we get same number. 3. 8 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 fingers. Now number minus 1 is before number. 7 before is 6. So the answer is 6,43,842. Okay. This is the subtraction of 6-digit numbers without borrowing. Okay. So my dear children, you don't write anything, these problems. This is only the explanation part. Just you have to listen. Okay ma? Now I am going to explain the subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers with borrowing. See, subtraction of 5-digit numbers with borrowing. So 87,352 minus 31,869. See ma, here 9 is greater than 2. So we can't subtract directly. So in this case we go to borrow from the tens place. Take borrow and this become 10 plus 2, 12 and 5 before is 4. Now start the counting from 9 to 12. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 3. Now here also see ma, 6 is greater than 4. So it is not direct subtraction. Again you take borrow from the hundreds place. So this number becomes 14 and 3 becomes 2. Now 6 to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8. So you write 8 under the tens place. Now here 8 is greater than 2. So we can't subtract here also directly. Take borrow from thousands. So this becomes 12 and 7 before 6. Now 8 to 12 count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Now number minus 1. Number minus 1 means before number. What is the before number of 6? Yes, it is 5. Now 3 to 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So it is 55,483. Okay ma? So like this we will do the borrowing subtraction of the 5-digit numbers. Okay ma? Now let us see the subtraction of 6-digit numbers with borrowing. So what they are given, 9,53,461 minus 2,86,573. So this is called what Nana? Minute. From which number we are doing subtraction? This is called minute. Which number is being subtracted? This is called subtrahend. Now we find the difference. Okay ma? Start from the ones place. See the down number 3. 3 is greater than 1. So that you take borrow from tens place. So this become 11 and 6 before is 5. Now start the counting from 3 to 11. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 8. Okay ma? Cross came Nana. Now 7 is greater than 5. So that again you take borrow. So this number becomes 15 and 4 become 3. Now start the counting from 7 to 15. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 8. Now 5 is greater than 3. Again take borrow. This number becomes 13 and 3 before is 2. Now start the counting from 5 to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, totally 8 fingers. Now 6 is greater than 2, so that again we take borrow 12, 2 becomes 12, 5 before is 4. Now 6 to 12, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6. Now 8 is greater than 4, so that again you take borrow 14 and 9 before is 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. 2 to 8 count, we get 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 only. Okay, ma? So, how to read out this number? 6,66,888. So, this is called difference. Okay, ma? Like this, we will do the subtraction of the 6-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay? Now, shall we go to the exercise 2C? Yes. So, come on, all of you, take out your classwork. Is it clear to you, Nana? Now, open your classworks and write the date. Already we written that subtraction heading. Exercise 2C. Keep, Nana. Exercise 2C. Write neatly, ma. Exercise 2C. First Roman, solve the following. Solve the following. All of you write along with me. Solve the following. First A. They are not giving commas, Nana. Just you keep commas. And read out this. 8,32,910 minus 0 is given. 0 means nothing. So, number minus 0, we get, yes, very good, same number. So, 8,32,910. Finish. And leave 2 lines gap and write next one B. Keep commas, 3 digits after comma, then after 2 digits. So, 7,87,878 minus 2,000 equal to dash. So, this one also will do in mind only, Nana. Here given thousands, just only thousands. So, you have to subtract the thousands number from thousands. Here how many thousands? 7 thousands. Here how many thousands? 2 thousands. Okay, Nana? 7,000 minus 2,000 is 5,000. So, remaining digits are same. 7,85,878. So, if you don't know like this, we do arrange the numbers, one number down, then we will do the subtraction. 8, 7, 8, 2 to 7, 5, 8, 7. So, 7,85,878. Note down in your classwork neatly. Just pause the video, write neatly. After you have to continue the video. Okay, ma? Now, C problem. C. C problem. 7,54,936 minus 12,803 equal to dash. Now, first you arrange the numbers. Here this is given only 12,000, Nana. So, you write under the 12,000, under the 10,000's place. Now, do the subtraction. Close fingers 3 after 4, 5, 6, 3. 0 to 3 means 3 itself. 8 after 9, 1. 2 after 3, 4, 2. 1 after 2. This is number minus 1 before number 5 before. And this is 7. So, 7,42,133. So, we stopped up to now. So tomorrow I will explain the D, E, F, Nana. Okay, ma? So in this class, which one I will give homework? Yes, frame the word problem, addition word problem. One problem only I gave as homework, Nana. So you have to write neatly in the homework book and send to my personal number. Bye children, take care.